Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech MK950. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with PC. To connect your keyboard and mouse to PC, you can use two ways. Firstly, you can connect this USB dongle to USB port in your PC. Also, you can switch to second or third connection on both mouse and keyboard to use the Bluetooth connection mode. But using the USB dongle is recommended. Simply plug it to 3 USB-A port in your PC and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.